about two friends. The title of the story is The City Mouse and the Country Mouse. This is the city mouse. The city mouse lives in a big city with tall buildings and lots of shops and restaurants. But today, he is visiting his friend, a country mouse. The country mouse lives in a cozy nest under a tree. It's small but warm and comfortable. The country mouse cooks a dinner from food from her garden. Corn, carrots, acorns, and a cold glass of water from the stream. Meanwhile, the city mouse talks and talks. The city is amazing. I go to the theater and the museum. My house has 20 rooms. Absolutely must visit. Have you ever tried Italian food? That night, the country mouse dreams that she lives in the city. Eats at fancy restaurants, sells fancy things, and buys fancy hats from fancy stores. She dreams that she eats Italian food. How wonderful, she thinks. I want to live in the city too. The next morning, the country mouse agrees to visit the city mouse. She packs her bag and follows the city mouse to his big house in the city. The house is enormous. There are 20 rooms full of beautiful furniture. The country mouse is amazed. Which room is mine? She asks. We actually live down here. The city mouse invites the country mouse to go down some stairs to the basement. There, the country mouse sees families of mice. These are my housemates, explains the city mouse. After that, the two mice go back upstairs for dinner. In the dining room, there is a feast of delicious food. Cheese, bread, cookies, cake, lemonade, and there's also Italian food. But as they start to eat, crash! A cat with sharp teeth and sharp claws jumps on the table. The city cat chased the two mice off the table and across the floor. The two mice hide in a hole in the wall. They are trapped. They wait until the cat leaves, and then they quietly creep back out to the dining room. But do you know what happened next? But all the food is gone. The city humans ate everything. After that, the country mouse goes back to the basement and packs her bag. Where are you going? The city mouse asks. Home. Want to go back home. Your city life isn't so wonderful after all. Now, please help me call a taxi. The country mouse goes back home and never comes to the city again. Moral of the story: sometimes other people's lives aren't so great as they make you believe. You see, at the first time, the two mice were happy with their lives. But when they compared their lives with each other, it feels more great than them. They forget that everything that happens in the outside isn't the same as what happens in the inside. Thank you!